Are you having an Abby Cadabby party? Alex, how old are you?
3.
How old?
3.
Very good. There's Abby. Say happy birthday to Alex. Very good. Nice. Is that your doctor kit? Listen to your heart.
No, it's a nurse kit.
Is that your nurse kit? Listen to your heart. Very good.
I'm gonna do what?
Yeah.
Oh God. I'm gonna do what? I'm gonna do what?
Say happy birthday.